Here's how to fix WhatsApp calls not showing on the display of your Android or Samsung Galaxy smartphone. First of all, you need to check whether your Android device is in silent mode or if Do Not Disturb is enabled. So just open the control center and turn on the ringer, and also make sure Do Not Disturb or focus mode is turned off. Now you should get call notifications on the display of your home screen and lock screen. If you're still not showing calls on the display, then you should also check whether WhatsApp notification is disabled. For that, open your Android device's settings, then go to Notification Settings, App Notifications, and find WhatsApp. And if you see it's disabled, turn on notification, and don't forget to enable notification for lock screen and home screen by enabling all these previews. And also check that notification is not set to hidden while locked. Now the call notifications will show up no matter what. If some of you are still having trouble, then what you can try to fix this is clear cache of WhatsApp. And you can easily do that by long pressing on the WhatsApp icon from the home screen and then tap on Info. Now to clear its cache, find the storage option, then click on Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't erase any data or chats off your WhatsApp account. But unfortunately, if the problem persists, then you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. But before doing this, you need to make sure that you have either local or cloud backup of all your chats, which you can do by going to Settings, then Chats, and Chat Backup. And in case your backup is too big for cloud storage, then you can take a look at our video where I show you how to do it locally and reinstall WhatsApp without losing any data. And after you've uninstalled WhatsApp, reinstalled it, you should have no problem getting call notifications. That's all. Let us know which step worked and stay tuned for more.